Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am so happy you are here today. I got another banger for you as usual. I know you've probably seen the thumbnail, but before we get straight into the unboxing, guys, right now I want to wish everybody a happy new year, and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. So we're about to jump into this Jordan 6 my years. But before we jump into it, make sure you slap that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Make sure you like the video and comment in the section below. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into this unboxing right here I got for you guys. You can see, you already know. I mean, if you have seen the unboxing I did on the Jordan 4 my years dark mocha, you would have seen this same box as well. So basically, this box right here is basically the same thing as that same Jordan 4 dark mochas. So it's basically a all black box, and in front you can see the jump man right there is kind of faded in right there. And on the bottom of the box, you can see all the A logo by Amama Ears right there, all the way round and to the other side. And you can see there's a hole there for ventilation. And then you got the sizing detail right there, which I got in a size 10 because I am a size 10. So if you flip the box right there, you can see you got that wonderful artwork by Jeremy Ohms. That is absolutely beautiful. Man, Amama ears, they always come correct when it comes to packaging, when it comes to presentation overall. It is a really, really good presentation overall. So you see the tissue paper in there. You have more of the A logo right there all around on the tissue paper right there. And it looks very, very clean, very nice. So if you peel the tissue paper back, you can see there's two shoes right there wrapped in paper. So I'm gonna sit this right here, and I'm gonna basically take it out, and I can show it to you guys. My first impressions. Um, let's see, you guys ready? Let's get this unwrapped. 1, 2, 3, bam! Check that out. That is the Jordan 6 my years. Oh my goodness. The quality on this is absolutely beautiful. It's so nice. Check that out. Look at that. So this is the other foot. You can see it is still wrapped clean right there. Very tidy wrapping. And I'm going to unwrap it as well. Okay. Wow. This is nice. So this Jordan 6 my years, I did get it last year, December, because obviously this is a new year. But because I've had a lot of unboxing to do, I have a lot of reviews to do, I wasn't able to get to it. So right now I'm getting to it. So I just want to get it out of the way for you guys. So we're going to start from the bottom as usual, and we're going to go all the way around to the materials and stuff like that. Impression, what the sizing is. So if you look at the bottom, you can see it's a mix of brown and you have that your cream bottom, or you can call it off-white or sail color, whatever you want to call it there. You can see how clean that looks right there. You got on the heel, you have that cream right here on the heel, and you have the brown, and you have the light brown Jumpman in the middle, and then up over there on the midfoot to the top foot, you have that brown and a mix of that cream or sail colorway, and on the front foot, you have that brown color right there. Man, this is beautiful. Believe it or not, this is actually my first Jordan 6 ever. I'm not really a bad fan of Jordan 6s, but because of the quality and the way this looks, I absolutely love it. So I had to add it to my collection. So let's move on. So if you look at the midsole right there, it's a mix of that sail brown and that light brown on the midsole. You can see the bubble in there. In the inside of the bubble is that light brown on the inside of the bubble. So all the way to the front, it's a brown as well, that light brown on the front right there. Going to the upper, this is a very nice upper in that light brown nubuck. I would say it has like a slightly gray tint to it. It's a brown, but it has that slightly gray tint to it. But I do believe this comes with two extra laces as well. One is a black right there, and then the other one, so the other is a seal right there. And the one that comes with it is a gray, a light gray. And you have on the tongue as well, it's a brown mixed with a light brown, and you have like your deep brown Jumpman on the laces on the front patch on the laces for Jordan 6s. And the real beautiful thing they did with this one that I really like is, if you look at the bubble, where the area where the bubble is normally is, it's not there. It's basically they reworked it and made it flat, and they just put like a little slight angle pattern there to just in replace of that bubble right there. But for me, I feel it makes this shoe look a little bit more wearable, in my opinion, and it makes it look much more slicker than your normal, usual Jordan 6. And on the back, you already know you have that all important Nike Air right there. So on the side, you have your brown pull tab on top of the Nike Air, Nike Air right there. And then on the side, everything is all brown suede going all the way round to the other side, the side panel on the other side right there. Everything is all brown, in that light brown. So the Nike Air on the inside is written in white, and on the sock liner, it's a brown sock liner. The insole on this one it's also in brown, and it's got the Maniere logo all over the midsole, and it's in a light brown. Overall, for me, this is a very nice shoe. I feel if you can, I feel you should definitely add it to your collection. It's a really nice material on this one. Um, you just can't go wrong if you go with this. Like, if you look at the overall presentation, just the way it looks, it's absolutely wonderful. Like, it's beautiful. So and as for sizing recommendation, for me, I went through to size, but from what I heard, I think it can be a little bit big, but for me, I just went through the size. If you don't mind a little bit of space in your shoes, it should be fine. But I don't think it's that bad. I would say for me, I'll go through the size with this one. I'm going to be doing the on feet for you guys so you can see exactly how it looks on feet. Another thing that I forgot to mention is the lace stopper right there. You can see it's in brown, and he has that Jordan right there in like a gray right there. So it's on there. In front of the right shoe, it's got the Jordan on this side, and on the left one is got the Maniere written on there. You can see it right there. So I mean, it's what they always do to their sneakers. One shoe has to be a Jordan, and the other uh, has to be a Maniere written on the Maniere logo and Maniere written on the left side. So guys, that is all I've got for you on this one. Make sure you slap the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and comment in the section below. Let me know what you guys think about this pair. If it's a pair that you're going to be adding to your collection, and how you feel about it. Do you like this particular pair? And on to the next one. All the opulence out.